everyone thinks of side hustles, they think of Uber Eats. So in this video, what I want to do is compare my Amazon business to doing Uber Eats and see how much money we make in a similar time frame. I currently run an Amazon FBA business, and the brilliant thing about it is that FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, which means Amazon do all the hard work for me, the storing, the picking, the packing and the shipping, which means I can make money whilst I sleep. But Uber Eats is kind of trading your time for money. You're only going to make money when you actually do deliveries. So tonight we're actually going to find out what makes me the most money in a similar time frame, and watch till the end to find out who wins. So step one is to get everything set up. The first thing you need to do is get your Uber account set up, and there's a couple of things you need for this. The main one is delivery insurance, which I didn't expect is quite expensive. Another cost is delivery bags, 20-30 quid. But the thing that shocked me the most was the time actually needed to set up the account, which was 2 weeks. I honestly thought if you wanted to start doing Uber Eats, you could just click on the app and get started right away. Once everything was set up, then we hit the road.
So yeah, we're gonna see how much money we can make. All the money we make as well, we're gonna donate to charity because I'm a nice guy. Right, so we're gonna go on the Uber Eats app. It's 8 p.m. on the dot, by the way, so we've got like 2 hours. See how long we last. Do you think anyone's ever done Uber Eats in a 650 bhp car? We would be the fastest McDonald's delivery driver today, if we get McDonald's eyes. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm not gonna turn down any jobs to give like a realistic, because some people turn down jobs and accept jobs and stuff. So I'm not gonna turn down any jobs.
One eternity later.
We have picked up our order from German doner kebab. It was ready. All right, mate, we're going to Pizza Hut now. So, oh, so this order's gonna make us like 12 quid, bro. Right, let's go get this order. Ah! Half an hour in, we almost killed someone. she just ran in front of me. It asked me to take a photo and to leave it at the door, but then I knocked on the door and she answered. So I couldn't take a photo. I'm not gonna take a photo of her face, innit? Next stop, 8 minutes is saying. We have made a grand total of £12.64. But let's see how much money we made on Amazon in the past 50 minutes. I'm gonna look at my orders in the past 50 minutes and we're gonna calculate how much we've made. Okay, 8.27, we made 23p. Okay, that's not great. £6.41, add 57p, because we got another order at 8:16 p.m.
6.98.
6.98, there we go. 8.13, we got an order, it was a £60 order, we made £18.68. 8.03, we had an order, £4.91 profit, and at 8.02 we had another order, made £4.51 profit, and then the order before that was at 7.49. So we made more money on Amazon in the past 50 minutes than I did driving on Uber. That doesn't factor in the £500 it cost me to set up this Uber, by the way, and the costs for mileage, electricity, my cameraman.
Got a collection for John F. Thank you. Sorry.
We've picked up the first order, and then we picked up the second order, but the second order took so long, like 20 minutes we were waiting for, which means that the first guy's order has been delayed, and we don't really get paid for that waiting time, right?
No, not at all.
Right, and that's not in our control. We're just nearly there at the second order, and we've just had another job come through. I mean, is it £10?
76.
£10.76. So we're going to quickly drop this off, pick up that order. I think this one's going to be about half an hour.
Yeah, half an hour.
Cool. With £38.39, so we've made about 8 quid in 45 minutes.
Yeah, if it wasn't for them taking ages,
Yep.
then it would have been literally 25 minutes.
Yeah. This should make up for it because it shouldn't take this that long. Typically, if you were to do a side hustle, you probably spend around 3 hours, right, in the evening. So we've done about 3 hours and 10 minutes. We made £52.15. Would you say that's a good amount in a day? 5 days a week, £250 a week, £1,000 a month? Pretty reasonable, right?
Yeah.
The moment you've all been waiting for. On Uber Eats, after 4 hours of work, we made... And on Amazon, we made... That concludes it. Amazon is the clear winner. And this experiment showed me something really important. Side hustles like Uber Eats are great for generating quick cash. And in just as little as 2 weeks, you can start making some extra cash straight away. However, businesses like Amazon FBA may take a little bit longer to build, but once you have built the business, once you've got systems in place, once you've found the products that are actually making you good money, it will pay you even when you sleep. If you're interested in learning how to sell online, we're actually running a workshop this weekend. There'll be a link in the description to join. And just to note, guys, I don't normally do these workshops. I am a very, very busy guy. It's actually really late in the evening when I'm filming this video. It gives you a taster of my mentorship program, which is thousands of pounds, right? However, you can get access to me. You'll be able to ask me questions whilst on this workshop. So for a small fraction of this cost, you get access to people who have made multiple 7 figures selling online. I'm not going to talk too much, but if you want to see me try more side hustles, stick them down in the comments down below. I'm happy to try anything and everything out there. And if you like this content, subscribe. See you later.